Today we're going to talk about instrument clusters and how to replace the light bulbs in the back with ones the color you want. Before we dive into how to actually replace the bulbs, let's talk about how we get this thing out of here. I'm not going to go into the radio portion because basically every radio is slightly different, but you can figure your way through that. Once that's out, you'll have to reach your hand in here, and there is a Phillips screw right here that you'll have to unscrew. Once that's out, you just simply pop it out. Here's a tab, and here's a tab, and here's a tab. You just give it a little tug, you push it out. Once it's out about an inch or so, here on the back, you've got your speedometer cable. You'll have to unscrew that. Pop, it comes off. Out comes the cluster. You'll have a series of plugs. Go ahead and unplug those, or in the case of the switches, I leave them in and just take the switch out with everything. Now, you've got it out. Good time to clean it up, maybe squirt a little oil in the back here. It's time to replace these bulbs. You simply twist them, pull them out. There's a bulb. You know, just pull the bulb out and replace it with the color of your dream. Not a bad deal, is it? Insert the new bulb, and you're ready to have whatever color dash lights you want.